If you're making videos, you know how important sound is. Check out these little lavalier mics, and right now, you know, you can hear a truck going by. You can hear wind. It's incredible. All you do, plug it into your phone, put that lav on, and away you go. You'll have perfect sound. Let's try it out right now. And now, listen how cleaned up the audio must be for you right now. So can you imagine all of your videos right away sound more professional? And if they sound more professional, they will look more professional. That's guaranteed. Now, really cool, in the box, it comes with a secondary lav mic just like this one. So if you're doing interview mode, you can use that, and it will record on the same track. It won't split the tracks, anything like that. And they also provide you with 2 different cables. Why 2 different cables? Because these microphones are chargeable via USB-C. So you charge one, charge the other one at the same time. That's actually pretty rare. The sound is incredible. It's so light, I don't even feel like I'm wearing it. And like I said, it will clean up the audio. If you're in a loud environment, it will focus it on your voice and make your videos sound that much better.